I'm Bill Gardner. My title is Senior Leadership Facilitator and Coach with Bluepoint Leadership. So, when I think about my coaching and facilitating, I go back to my academic roots, which are in adult learning. And just as a workshop is a group of people together learning, coaching is one on one, but it's all about helping an adult learn. So when I work with talent, my approach is to start with their identity. Who are they? How do they want to be remembered? Um, and also to help them. I've been studying neuroscience quite a bit. And the other thing is to help them unlearn behaviors that are not getting them the desired outcomes. I think that's new just in the last decade or so of studying neuroscience. And before you can learn something and implement something new, you have to go back to the automatic responses that you have and unlearn those. Um, so my approach is to work with the talent, and when they have a success, to get them to reflect on that and learn from their success. And when they have a failure, not to just turn away from it because it was a failure, but to dig down and say, what can I do differently next time? How can I do this better? Um, my approach is to help my talent become adult learners, lifelong learners, through reflection and through their journaling efforts. And most of my assignments, after we've done an assessment of some sort, I start talking to the leader about their legacy. How do they want to be remembered? When someone talks about your leadership legacy, what in your heart and your head would make you happy that they were saying that about your leadership? And then to help them while I'm coaching them, when they tell me stories, to ask, how is that behavior you just did leading to your desired legacy?